What's going on, guys? My name is Motamam, and today we had a challenge, and this challenge is try not to like cats. But this time say something. I hate cats. I hate cats, and also I'm scared about that because if you are watch some video on TikTok, YouTube, and another social media, you are watch something to cats had a weird action from something, and you can't see that. I'm scared about that. Today we wanna see from the last video, I like cats or no. I'm continue to hate cats. So let's go to react from this video. Okay, go to react for the first video.
Woody.
Okay, with Woody, I'm remembered one character with this name. Sorry, I think this is a name for him or no. It's Woody or Woody. I don't know, but it's a good name. It's cool. Okay, what's he doing from his action? Okay, it's just fun. Oh, this is challenge that I not to like cats. Okay, now, okay. I'm cut my laugh, and now I'm saying it's just sound fake, and this action it's not real, and this is it's not real. Okay, what?
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
For the one content, what's the people do? I can't believe that. I can't. Okay, we make a content too from this video. Oh no, okay. I'm right, I think this man can't eat something from 1 week, or maybe I don't know, because now his cat has wound in his mouth and he can't eat some food or drink something. He can't. What? Oh no, I can't. I think it's dead. It's a good cat and also cute. Come on. No. Oh, hello, my dear. Oh, you are good?
Sorry. That's why
I'm so sorry for the work of this dear girl. Oh, it's so angry. I think it's angry from the last girl to do that. Okay, what are you doing, man?
I love Nestle Crunch.
Okay, and this video, if you don't edit it, it's bad, it's real, but with edit of this TikTok channel, it's be very good. Okay, this cat in this video don't do anything. I think for the last um, he got to work and tired, but he don't tired, and his or she's cat is tired. Mm. Good. It's so good. The face is so good and so. Don't do that with your cat. Yes, I'm hate cat, but I don't like to. It has pain or get hard. Okay, what's oh. Okay, I think. But I don't say that. Not that it's not okay, go for it. On the next.
Perfect. Love each other.
Okay, if you buy that, just buy one and not two, 4, 5, 6. It's just the one. I think two. Oh, the real hair.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not.
First, I was like, Steve, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Oh, yeah, therefore that I didn't like it.
Ow! What you doing?
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat as a potato.
Oh, it's so cute, my baby. I don't know, but from these 2 minutes, I like to have one cat. So cool. No, I'm not good with talent. I continue.
Wakey, it's time for school.
Oh, it's so fast.
Come on.
Oh, no, I don't
It's time for school.
I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. Okay, if you are remember this TikTok video, I don't know. He said that, but we can't listen it. He said, I don't wanna go to school. Nah, I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. Okay, go.
Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
No, I don't wanna go to school.
I'm just sitting here.
Oh no! Oh, look at
It's clear to see
his eyes. Okay,
from up here.
another reason why I don't want to have
The world seems small.
Mikey, what are you doing?
Oh, he can speak! It's a real time. It's a real time to
meant
speak
to
with
be
him, and he say
great
your
outdoors.
but he
Forever
answer your question or answer your sentence. Oh, so
Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into a cat drawer.
okay. I had one. I want to say something for that.
sometimes you need
Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think
to take a
Okay,
step
it's
back,
more art. First we say
see
we
the truth around you
work here,
from a
and
distance.
then he say that. I think it's saying, but we are saying nothing like that. If you are focused in now, it's my word. I'm saying nothing.
You and me
Okay, you are saying I'm saying nothing, but it's not.
in the
Okay,
great
I think
outdoors.
we
Forever
wanna to listen that, and he don't say that.
you're trying to get into a cat drawer.
meant to be.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Forever
And yeah, I sure you say that. Okay, it's so good.
Pursing your lips while you poop.
You can't hear your cat eat them. Oh, it's like, oh, what is the word? I forgot it. The karma. Oh, yeah.
Dude, that's so mean. That's mean.
Oh my god.
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
Oh, ears is like broken. What's here? It's be like that. It's not. What the fuck?
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
There is your cards. What is there a ton of in heaven? That one? No.
Oh no.
Teaching my cat tricks. Ignore my hand.
Your cat do this better than you.
Smart boy.
Smart. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh no. Sound effect. Oh, what time? I don't know anything like this. Oh, that's sound effect. Shut the fuck up! Son of a bitch. Yes, it's right. It's sound effect. Okay. Thank you to watch this video. If you are the first person to watch that, I'm so thank you. I think it's for grammatically it's incorrect, but I so thank you and I so like you because you are a first person to view my video on YouTube, and I don't know what to say. I just said I like you. Oh no. And I thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Like this video. I don't know what to say. Okay, if you are not the first person, but don't. Not person. I'm actually thank you again what I don't know what to say, but wait from my new work to upload on YouTube. I'm so thank you